Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, this channel deals with business, technology, health, lifestyle, and sometimes we do vlogs.
So in our today's video, we are going to unbox our package here.
I'm so happy.
We are going to unbox our S5b gimbal.
Yeah.
We bought it from China, and if you would like to buy a package from China to Kenya, you can watch our video.
Yeah,
we will link it in description below.
Yeah,
so leo
mimi niko na raha sana. Mahali nimetoka China nimeka Kenya. So masaa hivi ya kushikilia simu hivi itaisha tu aishika hivi sasa. So yeah,
welcome to this video and enjoy.
And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe.
Yeah.
And for our viewers, thank you for always coming back.
Hakuna kitu ingine.
Hakuna.
Kutoka. This is the package. Tuko na portrait or landscape, panorama, face tracking using AI, adjustable arm, and time lapse, and up to 12 hours runtime. And
manual
zooming and real-time charging. You can use it to charge your phone. Yes, so that's the package. It's very well designed.
Yeah.
So this is our gimbal. We have all these features. Yeah, so tufungue ndani.
Yeah, let's do this.
It's very well packaged. Wow, check that. This side up. Hey.
Check it.
Tuko na hii.
Jamani, babangu anakuambia uisome kwanza.
Tuko na hizo important notice. Yes, and nothing else. So that is the notice. This is your manual. Yes. Wow.
Fungua to test.
To test. This is the gimbal.
Oh my God, imefika.
Imepanda ndege.
Imetushinda.
Imetushinda.
Inakaa supu. We. Iko poa. Iko smart.
Yeah. So iko wapi power button? Power button ndo hii. Hii ni battery level hii side. High, medium, low. Yeah, hii ni ya kucontrol gimbal. Hii inaitwaje? Hii joystick, sijui ni joystick kama nini.
Sawa.
Hii ni modes of operating the gimbal. Hapa ni mahali ya kuchanjia. This is where you charge your gimbal, and here you take a photo.
Let's continue. We continue.
Those are the features, and here you can use to charge. You can use to charge your phone.
Wow, babu umezielewa, umezijulia.
Mimi nime search. Hii ni ya
Cable.
kucharge. You can use to charge. Hii unaweka kwa mkono isianguke.
Wow, our gimbal.